Okay. Now let's start the analysis for Nifty. This is the Singapore Exchange Nifty index price and it's a delayed 10 minutes price, which shows that now the price is trading at 10,685. So 10,685, which means today you can expect our index to open somewhere above 10,680, maybe 100% above 10,660, which shows that it is above all the highs. So what happened after the price closing in our exchange? So you could see that the price in the Singapore exchange, you had some zigzag, a flat price action and a higher opening. So this cleared one doubt. Today you can expect higher opening in Nifty. Now what we need to do, let's go to the Nifty chart, Nifty futures chart. So the one doubt is clear. What happened on Friday? The price, what I'll do, so I'm going to close this. It's taking some memory, so the system is slow. Fine. So what happened on Friday? Price opened somewhere near 10,580 and the price closed here. It looks like a flat market, and we could pick some trend channels here. The trend channels is a very beautiful trend channel we have. So it maintains, we could see the price is maintaining an uptrend, and now the price is expected to open somewhere here. So not sorry, somewhere here. The expected price opening is going to be somewhere here. So it gives us two things. What are the possible outcomes? What are the possible price action you can expect if the price is going to open here? One, the possibility number one, it will come and test the white line, pick support, and it keeps on moving without even giving you a retracement. Okay, without giving you a retracement, it can move so many times we have seen in Nifty market. Like, so you can notice here, the price opened somewhere near 10,040. Right after the opening, it went up, consolidated, just again came to 10,040, picked the momentum and went up. So in other way, we can say it will maintain this band, the upper band. Or the next outcome can be price opens somewhere here and it will struggle to move up. It breaks down and come and test 10,620 or this blue line. Okay, this is the area where the market traded. You may say that it is coming down to fill a gap, and so many theories are that, but it is just happening because of the profit booking. It comes down, and again the people's more buyers are not interested to participate in this area. So again it picks some support and it moves up. This is the possibility number two. And the worst case possibility is the price could not withstand 10,660 and from the opening it will crack down. So the third option, I think it is highly impossible. So if it is happening, then we should say that this is market and anything can happen. So these are the best opportunities here. So it depends upon the available fund you have in your account. The target is 10,720. Okay, the target is 10,720. Depends upon your available fund. If you can afford to play some, because see the issue is if you are going for buying here, okay, around 10,660, maybe the price opening around 10,680. If it is coming down, then there is no other option. You should go and buy 10,060 or within this white line by placing some 25 point stop, so that you will be protected. And we know this stop is not sufficient. Actually the stop should come somewhere below this 10,620, but your risk and reward ratio depends on how much fund you have in your trading account. I am talking about futures market. So these are the various combinations you can do, the entries and exit you can frame for trading in futures market. Okay, the key thing is we at most of the times we know the market is whether it is going for buying or selling, but the only area which we don't know is where to enter. And I can tell you these two lines are the best lines. This white line, it can guide you for today. So if this is about the futures market, now let us go back and see about the options. What we can do in options, we can take a little bit of advantage in options market compared to futures whenever the price is opening up with a gap. The first option is, I'm going to show you the option chain. So this is the option chain, okay, for today. This is the option chain. Don't ask me where I can get these charts and everything. You need to pay something more, or you can see this chain in NSE website. If the price is going to open somewhere near or within 10,000, 10,060 or 10,080, these are the two strikes. 10,000, maybe this price is this looks clear. 10,650. I hope you can see the price. If at all, next from tomorrow I will try to do something to enlarge the price. So this will be the at the money. Maybe 10,650 or 10,700 will be the at the money options. So immediately, if you want to go and buy, like immediately the price is, if you expect that the price will drop little bit and it will go for a spike again, so that I will miss the opportunity. If you want to buy, you can go a little bit out of the money options, and then you can go for buying. What is the good strike price? I think 10,000, this strike 10,750. I'll write here 10,750, which closed around 44.5 rupees. Maybe assume that the price, if the price is going to open somewhere, maybe this was out of the money when the price closed on Friday around 10,560 or near 10,600. Now the price is opening only 60 points or 70 points above that. So this should open somewhere near 66 based on pure assumption. Okay, this should given the fact 2 days of time decay, if you are a buyer and making all this combination, you can say somewhere around 60, 66 you can expect the price to open. And what advantage this gives you, I'm going to clear these annotations. Okay, what I am searching for is, yes, you can see this chart. This is the chart, premium chart for that 10,750 call option. Okay, this is the premium chart for 10,750 call option, and you could see it got created some resistance around 60. Okay, some resistance around 60, and today you can expect this to open somewhere here. 66 or 68 maybe somewhere. So the best place for buying the options is because we have, since the price is going to open above this, this should act as a support. Okay, 60 will act as a support. So the best chance is we can take 10,750 strike and go for buying call options, expecting the price to move up. And if you give a 20-point stop, even at 66, when the price is at 66, even if you give a 20-point stop like 56 and 46, where it comes to the Friday's low. So this is how we want to put probability on our side, with some relaxation on your stops, and pick the right strike. I feel that a 10,750 call option can be a good strike for today if you want to stay on the buying side, because if it is a 20-point stop on the buying, it means because you are going a little bit out of the money. In other words, we can say the delta will be around 0.4. So with a 0.4 delta and having a 20 point stop means that you can, in the index futures, if the price is dropping down till 40 to 50 points, your stop loss holds. In other words, if the price is coming from 10,660, maybe you will have the leverage till 10,620. The next support, you have that edge. But the compromise is, since you have purchased 0.4 delta, and if the price is moving up, the probability that you will get some maximum, if the price is moving some 40 points above that, you will get the same 15 points in the premium. The increase will be 15 points in the premium value if the price is moving 40 points from the area where you are going to buy. If the index futures price is moving 40 points, you will get only 15 points. If the price is dropping the same 40 points in the index future, or maybe near 40 to 50 points, your stop loss will be triggered with a 20 point stop. So I think this will be the good area for you to pick up. Sometimes you may think that if you don't want to be a buyer, you can always be a seller also. But for seller, you need to pick some the put, because both things means the same. Buyer of a call option or seller of the put option, your expectation is the price is moving up. So in that sense, if we talk, this 10,550, okay, or 10,500, 10,500, maybe you can consider 10,500 or 10,500. 10,500 will be good because the price opening it's at 81.5. If the price is opening as per the expectation, it should come down to 60 rupees. Okay, it will come down to 60 rupees. The market, you will see the price opening at 60 rupees in 10,500, and you can sell those options. 10,500, you can sell the put option by placing a 10 point stop, maybe at 80, the same 80, which is the Friday's closing, and you can go for selling also, expecting the price to come down. If you want to put the time ticket, because this is Monday, okay, this is Monday, we have nearly 4 days for expiry. So Monday the impact will not be much high, but purely on Wednesdays we need to think more on the selling side, because the time decay will be high even if you are doing day trading. So these are the various things you can do in today's Nifty index and options. Let me quickly go through the Bank Nifty only for index, and let us call this for a day. Let us close our presentation. Okay, so what about Bank Nifty? Friday the price closed near 21,843. So Bank Nifty is not very much in favor of buying compared to the Nifty index. So since the Nifty is expected to open higher, obviously you can expect Bank Nifty to open above 22,000. Okay, so if the Bank Nifty is going to open somewhere here or above that, it means that it is going to open near the Friday's opening and Thursday's closing, and it shows that the trend will be somewhere high. Even the price can test 22,200 or even higher. The price can move up. That is the basic message we get. So how we are going to, let us pick some or draw some trend channels. Let us draw some trend channels, and we'll try to analyze this. This is the first trend channel. Okay, by connecting the highs and these few lows, we had projected this trend channel. It means that if the price is opening somewhere here, this blue line should provide support, this should provide support, and this should provide support. So these are the support lines where you can go for buying. By placing stop at 21,800, you can go for buying. Okay, so I'm going to remove these annotations, then we'll add the new trend, another trend channel. Okay, this channel we could draw this by connecting this high, and it's a downtrend channel. Since we could see a downtrend path in Bank Nifty, but we could not see that in Nifty. So again, it shows that when the price is opening somewhere here, this white line will act as a support, or if the price drops to this blue line, it will act as a support, or this line will act as support. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 supports within this zone. You can expect Bank Nifty to stay on the buying side. So the price for Bank Nifty, you can see the price will test today 2200, and if possible it will move above. So in options also you can do the same thing, but we don't have time for discussion. That's all we have for today. I'll wait for another 30 seconds, then okay, since this is the first day, we have only few logins. I think there is no questions, so let us close the discussion for today. Let us meet tomorrow, but we are not going to change this only for restricted people. So we will conduct this online class, and the recording will be posted to you after after the market closing around 3:30. By that time we will post the recording. Thanks a lot for attending our online discussion. Have a great day. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.